According to an ancient proverb, a calm fire that warms you is better than a fierce one that burns you. A 2016 WHO report states that over 4 million people die prematurely from illnesses attributable to the household air pollution from cooking with solid fuels. It was nothing but tragic that even after 70 years of independence, millions of rural women still use conventional fuels like cow dung and wood to cook their daily meals. Apart from toxic smoke produced by conventional fuel, particulate matter like inhaled soot leading to pneumonia was taking the lives of rural children below the age of 5 years. But in 2016 came the light at the end of this smoke-filled tunnel. Launched by PM Modi on 1st May 2016, it was not just a scheme but a promise of a smoke-free India by providing free LPG connections to women from BPL households.
माँ लकड़ी का चूल्हा जला करके खाना पकाती थी। कभी कभी तो धुआं इतना होता था कि माँ खाना परोस रही हो लेकिन हम माँ को देख नहीं पाते थे। ऐसे धुएं में बचपन में खाना खाते थे। और इसलिए मैं उन माताओं की पीड़ा को, उन बच्चों की पीड़ा को भली भांति अनुभव करके आया हूं।
These LPG cylinders created the path to a healthy and smoke-free life for millions of rural women. Within the first year of its launch, it covered 704 districts across 16 states with 2,60,12,638 LPG connections. With this being issued in the woman's name in each household, the scheme preserved their long-lost pride and dignity. By providing free LPG subsidy to women, the scheme efficiently destroyed the use of conventional cooking fuels, thereby putting an end to the vicious cycle of smoke and suffering that caused chronic and lung diseases. Apart from the visible, tangible benefits, the scheme has also brought about intangible benefits. Free from the hassle of collecting firewood, rural women had spare time, so they earned, became financially empowered and got respect from within the family. Free from health issues, rural children could go back to school, giving them a future. Free from the vicious cycle of suffering, healthy interpersonal relationships were achieved within the family structure. After significantly changing the conditions of thousands of rural women, it would not be wrong to say that Ujjwala Yojana finally made India realize the relevance of the famous Swami Vivekananda quote, "There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of the woman is improved." And thus the element of fire, with both its inherent power of being a creative yet destructive force, brought a change that was once a dream for rural India.